Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, we're going to understand if we can order Hot Wheels from FirstCry and is it for carded collectors or uncarded collectors, and then how is the card condition. Then we're going to uncard this Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline GTR that I got from FirstCry itself. Before starting the video, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos. Follow us on Instagram. The link is below in description. There's a lot of planned content which is going to come up and that is going to be informative and you should not miss it. So now let's get the video started. I got a lot of comments and a lot of friends ask me where can I get Hot Wheels at MRP. So there you have a lot of options. So you can go to the local stores, and if you are not lucky enough there, you have few online options, that is Blinkit, Instamart, and apart from that, for Indian Hot Wheels collectors, you even have FirstCry. So FirstCry usually restocks multiple times, just that you'll have to be a little early, and then you can get your hands on your desired Hot Wheels. So now talking about the card condition, the condition is not very great. So this is strictly for Hot Wheels uncarded collectors. So when I tell uncarded, it is for the people who actually remove it out of the blisters and enjoy the cards in their hands. The reason being, so there's a lot of damages on the card, and then there's crease, and many of the Hot Wheels carded collectors will prefer the card condition to be mint. And then how do you identify this Hot Wheels is from FirstCry is either you have a sticker on the front or you have a sticker at the back. So this sticker actually denotes it is Hot Wheels from FirstCry. So this was it. I wouldn't say the card condition is very bad, but I would urge this is strictly for uncarded Hot Wheels collectors. Now talking about it, so I got the Skyline. I was lucky enough to get it, and they charged around 50 rupees for the delivery, and I think it is absolutely fine. So this was about it, and do let me know in comments if you are ever lucky to get Hot Wheels on FirstCry, and did you receive it exactly what you ordered, and then how was your card condition. Not all card condition is like very bad, or not all are very good, but talking from few experiences and like talking with friends, they told me that FirstCry has delivered Hot Wheels in a terrible condition. So mind you guys before you order it and do all the checking, and sometimes what happens is that, so in below there you would have styles may vary, so you may get some different Hot Wheels too. So that was about it, but for uncarded collector it is the best thing, and I'm going to uncard this, so let's do it. Now we are going to uncard this Nissan Skyline. As I said, this is from the series 70s versus 90s, and it reads Nissan Skyline GTR BC R33. So overall, like I love the color. This came in the dark blue color. We didn't get the black version in India, and then as you all know, it's from FirstCry. Now without wasting time, let's uncard it. So there's some multiple ways to uncard it. You can use the acetone, but I prefer like using the traditional method of the good old days of uncarding. So now let me uncard this in the video. So this is very good, like it gives me a lot of satisfaction guys when I uncard it like this, and it is the old way that I used to uncard it, and this is really very good. And guys, finally it is out of the blister. So this is the Nissan Skyline GTR. So overall, let me show you, like it could have been better if it came with painted headlights, and then talking about the livery, I love the livery, and guys, this is in the dark blue color, one of my favorite colors. And then talking about the wheel and the car, it matches very well. And talking about the rear end, again there is no much details. It could have been a lot better if details are provided. Overall, this is a nice casting, and there is the diesel tank detailing at the rear end. So this was it guys. So what do you think? Do let me know in comments if you got Hot Wheels from FirstCry and how was it. So this is the closer look of the Nissan Skyline. Do let me know if you have already uncarded this or if you're planning to uncard this. I would rate this car 10 on 10 for the paint job, not for the details. And now let's do the final thing, that is the rolling test. So for the rolling test, let's see how well this actually rolls. I would say it's pretty decent, and this is Hot Wheels mainline. It comes with no rubber tires, it is just the plastic wheels. So overall this is a very nice casting and I wanted to uncard this, so this is it here guys. So do like, comment, subscribe, do check out my other videos, follow us on Instagram, and do not forget to comment guys. See you guys in my next video.